Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to build out project number 29, which is Adobe Audition 2022 Ultimate Guide. Okay, so we're going to go to learntechprojectfiles.com, click on Adobe After Effects 2022 projects, go down all the way down to project number 29, download that file, and while it's downloading, we'll get everything set up. So go to After Effects, click on New Project, File, Save As, and let's go to Projects. So Documents, Projects, and then make sure we're in the Projects folder, right? And create a new folder, 29, project number 29. And this is going to be Adobe Audition 2022, and it's going to be Ultimate Guide. Okay, I'll create that. I'm going to right click and rename it, hit Command C to copy it, and then select it, and then let's relabel this, that, hit save, go back to Firefox. Let's see how much time we have left here. Okay, so it's about a minute. So what we're going to do is, again, we're going to build out this promo video as fast as we can. Okay, that's really the goal of this exercise of doing all these projects, is practicing and practicing and practicing, and then you can see how quickly you can build something out once you've done it a couple times. Okay, you can really get the benefit of the repetition. Okay, and so this is just about done. We'll give it another, it says 15 seconds. So once the file's done downloading, we'll uncompress it, and then we'll import it into After Effects. Okay, just like we've been doing with the other projects. And let's wait for it. Should almost be done. A few more seconds, it says. So we'll give it a few more seconds here, and it's done. Okay, I'll open that up. We'll bring it into Documents. And then from there, I'm going to bring it into Projects. And then from there, I'll drop it down to 29. I'll double click on the file to uncompress it. And then we'll look at the files. So we have Introduction, we have Benefits, What You Will Learn, Students, Requirements, Thank You, the promo video itself, the Audition, Graphic, and then Learn Tech Plus. So let's go to After Effects. And again, let's try to do this as quickly as we can. So we'll do project number 29, grab everything, bring it in, grab the video, lock it, grab the graphic, drag that down to 5 seconds, enlarge it so you can't see my beautiful mug or ugly mug, depending on what you think. And then let's grab all the lower thirds, okay? And we'll bring it out to here, but first I want to shrink this down to 5 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to bring these over. And what we'll do is we'll shrink these down. So I'll hold Shift, and we can do right here. Okay, so I'll deselect this one, bring it over, deselect, bring it over, deselect, deselect, and there you go. Okay, so we have that done. Then let's drop the thumbnail again and the logo. And actually we can highlight both of these and drop them both at the same time. And then adjust the size of them at the same time because we have them both selected. Then deselect one. Beautiful. Okay. And then we can literally shrink these down to 20 seconds. And then this one, which is the Learn Tech Plus logo, I can do it 25 seconds. So now, boom, 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 beautiful. Okay, so when I go back, we have all the graphics there, and that's there, and we're all done. And we've done this in 4 minutes. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.